Today I also received proof, yet again, that what I'm saying for this version of reality, it's 100% true. So I mentioned a few times that, first of all, that this channel is channeled. I've got my retainer on if you're wondering why I'm speaking funny. So this channel is channeled, yeah. And whatever it is that I want to say it because it's floating in the air. So I'm following this podcaster, this lady from Access Consciousness. I mentioned her before, Glenise Hughes. And invariably, either the idea I'm stuck on, or before when I was just journaling, or something that I've just posted about, she invariably puts out a version of a podcast on the same topic. Now, I can sit and say, how synchronistic, how whatever, coincidental, and how serendipitous, but it's not. It's not. That's why I reiterate, that which you think you wants to be born. If you pick it up, you could be one of the funnels through which it could funnel through. If, however, your limitations, your thinking, your involvement blocks it, it will simply just move along. This is why when an invention is ready to be invented, it will be invented by whoever picks it up first, or by the next person. Now, this brings me to the topic of getting distracted and the destruction of distraction. A lot of the times we use our mind against us, and we do that to distract ourselves, literally to create time. Time to me is moving so fast that I'm expecting it any moment to collapse on itself and just show itself for the perpetual now that it is, and really for me to no longer use concepts like today, tomorrow, past, present, retroactive, or linear, or whatever. So we distract ourselves. And I heard the first time this concept spoken by the same lady from Access, Glenise, when she was saying that she used to distract herself with debt. So she used to create a bunch of debt. She used to live on a ebb and flow of debt. She would pay it off, then it will be made again, and she would pay it off. And she said in a podcast that she realized through her self-awareness and through the tools that she used, that she was doing that to entertain herself. She was doing it as a distraction. Distraction from what, you may ask? It's distraction from being complete. The distraction destroys the completion. So how do we distract ourselves? By not seeing everything that is as serving us. We are taught to just look at objects, name the object, and not see the surrounding areas. We consider it nothing. But it's not just nothing, it's the nothing. So if we start to receive, and if we start to consider on focusing not only on the object, but also the fact that there is space around the object, why would that matter? Because the space around the object serves as immensely, if not more, as the object itself. So when we focus, when we think we need to manifest something, we have a need. We have a need. We don't register that the want wants us. So we interpret whatever it is as a need. So now, as we're focusing on the need, we also imagine something that if we make it manifest, it will fix that need. That is a distraction, because what we're doing, we have the need, we have the vehicle, we aim to manifest to fix that need to our own satisfaction, and we don't even realize that the need is actually not there. The situation as it is in itself can be as fulfilling and as enriching if not more than the vehicle and the need fulfilled. And this is why I see a lot of the times in me and in others, when they do manifest the vehicle and they do manifest their need, they quickly move on to another, because the sense of feeling fulfillment, the sense of integral wholeness has not been reached. Why? Because whilst we were looking here and focusing and trying to manipulate matter and trying to convince the gods to give us what we think we need, we missed out on all the potential other things we could have looked at, because we're focused on one direction. So I will elaborate a little bit more on this, but for now I'll just leave it here.